Okay, I'm going to do a tutorial to teach you how to synchronize with your File Explorer access to the cloud repository, which is where we will transition everything on the server. Okay, so first, just showing you what we're trying to do. We'll open your File Explorer, how you have access to the server here. We're going to give you access to the cloud repository drive, which is where I will transition everything, and it'll appear under here. How you have Linnell events, it's going to be one of these. Okay, so the first thing you do is you open a web browser, and up at the top, www.office, that's all you type, .com, that gives you to Microsoft Office. Come here, then you log in. You've clearly logged in before, so it saves your information, jim.vanderbleek, say sign in, saves your password. Oh no, it doesn't, you're going to have to put your current one. So the most up-to-date password that you have. Do you want to reduce the number of times you're asked to sign in? Yes, usually. Okay, so now once you're here, this is the main page when you log into your Office profile, like the Office 365. It's all your Office utilities that we pay for. We're going to go to Sharepoint. Okay, once you're here, these are the Sharepoint cloud-based sites that we have. So we have, this is the one I created. It's called Valor Cloud Repository, so it'll be the same as what the server houses, just here. I haven't moved all the data yet, but we can create the sync so it already is synchronized with your File Explorer even before we drop stuff in it. So we only have 3 folders in it right now, but what you want to do is you want to synchronize with this main folder called the repository. So you're going to click right here on this, sync. It starts to open. I'm on your actual computer. I'm remoting into your computer, so once I create the sync, I'm going to remove it so that you can test to make sure it worked properly. My tutorial. Okay, so you got a pop up here and you got a thing here. So let's go and check our File Explorer to see if it came. So here it is. So now, scoot this over, make this a little bigger. Here's on your Valor Athletics Inc., your cloud repository. It's the folder we just synced. So we click on it, and it already has the subfolders that are in our Sharepoint site. So now that we know that it works, and it takes a little while, if there's a bunch of data in it, it's going to synchronize for a little bit. You have these clouds here. That means the data is still in the cloud. You haven't downloaded anything from it. So this was the folder we created today. So instead of synchronizing to that individual folders, you'll synchronize to the whole directory. Okay, hope this helps. Now you get to try it.